Hi everyone, my name is Iban. Today I will show you how to install ND filter for your Mavic 2 Pro. Stay tuned. I got two ND filter here. One is ND8. You can see ND8 and another one is ND32. I think all you need is these two ND filters which act as a sunglass for your drone. I will show you how it functions, but today I will just show you how to install it onto the camera. First, you must turn your drone off and then flip it upside down, and then what you want to do is hold this camera with your left hand and your right hand twist the lens counterclockwise. This is a UV filter, and let me show you. You must be very careful because this is a sensitive part. Okay, what I like to do is I put my fingers here and then twist it counterclockwise, and then it's pop up. Here you can see there's a two ball spring. Take your ND filter, put it like this, press it a bit, and then turn it clockwise until you hear a click. Alright. Okay, so that's it. Now you can take cinematic footage from your drone. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Thanks.